Welcome you once again to this channel, our viewers. In this math tutorial, we want to find the value of x if 3 raised to the power 5x minus 3 raised to the power 3x plus 3 raised to the power x over 3 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 73 over 3. 3 raised to the power 5x can be written as 3 raised to the power x plus 4x. We have minus 3 raised to the power 3x can be written as 3 raised to the power x plus 2x, and that plus 3 raised to the power x over 3 raised to the power x plus 1 equals to 73 over 3. And when we have the sum of exponents like this, they can be broken into products, as in 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 4x minus 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 2x plus 3 raised to the power x over 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 1 or 3, and that is equal to 73 over 3 on the right hand side. From the numerator on the left hand side, we can factor 3 raised to the power x to leave us with 3 raised to the power x into bracket 3 raised to the power 4x minus 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1, having factored 3 raised to the power x over 3 raised to the power x times 3 equals to 73 over 3. 3 raised to the power x cancel out from both the numerator and denominator, leaving us with 3 raised to the power 4x minus 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 over 3 equals to 73 over 3. Then we will multiply through by 3. Meaning that we have 3 times 3 raised to the power 4x minus 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 over 3 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 3 times 73 over 3, where 3 cancel out the 3 on the left hand side, both in the numerator and denominator, and likewise on the right hand side we have them cancelling out. And that leaves us with 3 raised to the power 4x minus 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 73. Then we can write 3 raised to the power 4x as 3 raised to the power 2x times 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 73. This can further be written as 3 raised to the power 2x all squared minus 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 73. We then make a unit substitution here by letting 3 raised to the power 2x be p. Therefore, the expression on the left hand side becomes p squared minus p plus 1 equals to 73. Subtracting 73 from both sides, we have p squared minus p minus 72 equals to 0. This way, we have been able to reduce the equation to a quadratic trinomial, where we now factor the resulting equation p squared minus p minus 72 equals to 0. The factors of negative 72 that will give us negative 1 are plus 8 and minus 9, so that the trinomial factors are p plus 8 times p minus 9 equals to 0, which means that p plus 8 is 0 or p minus 9 is equal to 0. When p plus 8 is 0, it means that p is going to be negative 8. And when p minus 9 is 0, then p must be 9. Remember that from the transformation we made, 3 raised to the power 2x is p. So we are going to start with when p is negative 8. That means 3 raised to the power 2x should be negative 8. And there is no way we want to do this where we can write negative 8 as a power of 3 or using logarithm. The logarithm for negative values do not exist. They are not defined. Therefore, this solution is inadmissible. Thus, we check the second value, which is when p is 9. When p is 9, 3 raised to power 2x will be equal to 9, which means that 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 2, which is 9. Equating the exponent, 2x is equal to 2, and x by dividing both sides by 2 is 1. This is the solution to the exponential equation. If you have any question or comments, put them in the comments box. Make sure you give a thumbs up to the video by liking it, share the video, and ensure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you can get timely updates from us as we release our math tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.